This cow is very bull and angry. This cow is not. I am the visit in the moment for Bananas Bank Quarter. I am the tourist and New Zealand is the very biggest cow for me in this one in this. And it has been his entire.
Please talk show.
This tries against is very bullish. Festival. And
talk to them.
Now it's in English.
Hey, we have another person coming in.
Another person.
There is some. I can see the.
You will come to Scotland. You comes from the New Zealand.
That is
New
not
Zealand
bitch.
cow.
Hey, who is the blogger? Who is this blogger?
New Zealand cow is very domestic. For now is angry means but you is the Deshi is the Bangladesh is stupid cow. For you is nation. The Shakib Khan, Shakib Al Hasan is cow is very like and Bangladesh and Brandon McCullum is also.
Hey, Shakib Al Hasan